Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Okay, this glove box organizer is a stupidly simple and cheap mod for your Bronco. The kit has 4 pieces of injection molded plastic. It looks like they just snap or slide together. The orientation of each piece is marked on them, but I think this is all pretty self-explanatory. Links to this product on Amazon will be in the description below if you're interested in getting it. The middle piece slides on nicely, but the side pieces don't snap in as well as I expected. If you're not careful handling the assembly, the sides will fall off. Ask me how I know. Once you get this entire assembly inserted in the glove box though, the sides are pretty much compressed together with the rest of it, so it holds together really well. It's simple, but it does what it's supposed to do. When I showed my wife, she didn't know what she was looking at. She didn't realize the glove box didn't come with this. Probably because her old Explorer glove box came with dividers. Anyway, the wife definitely approved of this mod.